Creating an XML file is a structured way to store and transport data. Here's a concise guide on how to create an XML file. Open a text editor. Use a simple text editor like Notepad, TextEdit, or a code editor like Visual Studio Code. Start with XML declaration. Begin with the XML declaration, which looks like this. This line specifies the XML version and character encoding. Root element. Create a root element to enclose all other elements. Every XML file must have one root element. Add elements. Inside the root element, add the data elements. Elements have an opening tag, content, and a closing tag. Nesting elements. You can nest elements within other elements to represent hierarchical data. Attributes. You can add attributes to elements for additional information. Attributes are typically enclosed in the opening tag and have a name and a value. Comments. Add comments for documentation or notes using the following. Save the file. Save your text document with the XML file extension, for example data.xml. Validate. It's a good practice to validate your XML using an XML validator or an XML editor to ensure it's well formatted and follows any specific schema or DTD.